This lesson will help you learn about the silent E and how it changes the vowel sounds in words. Listen as I say some words. I'm going to say a short vowel sound. Tell me the name of the letter that makes that sound. Ah, ah, as in bat. Yes, that's the letter A. Eh, as in bed. Yes, that's the letter E. I, as in pig. That's right, that's the letter I. Ah, as in pot. You got it right, that's the letter O. As in fun. That's right, that's the letter U. This time, I want you to tell me the long vowel sound for each letter. Remember, the long vowel sound is the same as the letter name. What sound does this letter make when it's making the long vowel sound? That's right, it says A. What sound does this letter make when it's making its long vowel sound? If you said E, you're right. What is the long vowel sound of this letter? That's right, it's I. What is the long vowel sound of this letter? That's right, it's O. What long vowel sound does this letter make? It says U. So all of the vowels have a long and a short vowel sound. I'm going to say the names of some people. After you hear each name, repeat the vowel sound you hear. Are you ready? The first name is James. Yes, the vowel sound in James is A. That's the long A sound. The next name is Min. Min. Do you hear the I sound in min? That's right. That's the short I sound. Listen to my next name, John. Do you hear the ah sound in John? That's the short O sound. My next name is Cruz. Do you hear the U sound in Cruz? That's the long U sound. The next word is Eve. Do you hear the E sound in Eve, that's the long E sound. Now listen to this name, looks. Do you hear the sound in looks? That's the short U sound. Beth. Do you hear the sound in Beth? That's the short E sound. Now listen to my next name, Cho. Do you hear the long O sound, that O in show? That's the long O sound. Now we have the name Jazz. Do you hear the A sound in Jazz? That's the short A sound. Here's our last name, Mike. Do you hear the I sound in Mike? That's the long I sound. Now we're going to learn about silent E at the end of a word. The letters M, A, D spell the word mad. The middle sound in mad is A, the short sound for A. Ad. Say the word with me. Ad. Now I'm going to add E to the end of mad to make a new word. This word is made. See what happened when I added an E to the end of mad? Now the letter A makes a different sound. It says its name, A. Aid. What sound do you hear in the middle of made? Do you hear the A sound? This is the long sound for the letter A. You cannot hear the letter E at the end of the word made. You can only hear the first three letters. It has no sound. It is silent. When you see an E at the end of the word, it makes the first vowel say its long sound. Silent E makes the vowel say its name. Let's try more words. Read this word and say the vowel sound. Kit. I. Watch what happens when I add silent E to this word. Silent E makes the vowel say its name. Now let's read this new word and say the vowel sound. Kite. Kite. Read this word and say the vowel sound. Pet. P-et. Pet. The vowel sound is eh. Watch what happens when I add silent E to this word. Silent E makes the vowel say its name. Let's read this new word and say the vowel sound. Eat. Pete. The vowel sound is E. Read this word and say the vowel sound. Not, not. The vowel sound is ah. Watch what happens when I add silent E to this word. Silent E makes the vowel say its name. Now let's read this new word and say the vowel sound. Oat, note. The vowel sound is O. Now get paper and pencil or a dry erase board so that you can write some words. You are going to write some silent E words and some words with short vowel sounds. I'm going to say a word and I want you to write the word that matches what you hear. The word is tape. She used tape to hang the poster on the wall. Have you finished writing the word? Did you write T-A-P-E? Very good. The next word is fine. I feel fine after I recover from a cold. Fine. Write the word fine. Did you write F-I-N-E? Very good. This word is fine. F-I-N spells fin. Good job. Listen as I say a word and write the word that you hear. Hope. We hope it doesn't rain while we're camping. Write the word hope. Did you write H-O-P-E? Very good. H-O-P-E spells hope. H-O-P spells hop. Now listen to this word. Right. The word is cute. The kittens looked cute as they played with the ball. Write the word cute. You should have written C-U-T-E. That spells cute. C-U-T spells cut. The letter U says its name in the word cute. Ute. But the letter U can have another long sound. Ooh. Say that sound with me. Ooh. This word also has a silent E at the end. Let's see if the letter U says This word also has a silent E at the end. Let's see if the letter U says its name. Rule, rule. Does the letter U say its name in rule? No. What sound do you hear in the middle of rule? Long U can spell two sounds. In the word cute, it says its name, you. Ute. In the word rule, it spells the sound oo, ooh. Now make a T chart. You're going to put short A words on this side and long A words on this side. Cat. Which side would cat go on? That's right. Cat goes with the short A words. The next word is cake. It goes with the long A words. Let's try some more words. Wave, wave. Wave has a long A sound. Tab, tab. Tab has a short A sound. Mad. Where will you write the word mad? If you put it on the short A sound side, you were right. Now write the word name on your T chart. Name. If you put it on the long A side, you got it right. Next, we're going to sort words that have short E and long E. You're going to decide where the words belong. Where does the word wet belong? Wet. That's right. It belongs with the short E words. The next word is 10. I have 10 fingers. That should have gone with the short E words. Now put the word Pete on your chart. Pete. Pete is my best friend. Pete is a long E word. Red. I love red flowers. Red. Red is a short E word. Eve. My grandmother's name was Eve. Eve is a long E word. Zeke was my grandfather's name. Zeke. Zeke is a long E word. Now we're going to sort long and short I words. Sit. You should sit in your chair. Sit has a short I sound. Wide. The river was too wide for us to cross. Wide. Wide has a long I sound. Pile. I made a large pile of books. Pile. Pile has a long I sound. Dig. I will dig a hole for my new plant. Dig. Dig has a short I sound. Win. We are going to win our soccer game. Win. Win has a short I sound. Like. I like you. Like has a long I sound. Next, let's sort short O and long O words. Remember, short O says ah, and long O says oh. You decide where each word belongs. Joke. My friend told me a funny joke. Joke has a long O sound. Hop. I can hop on one foot. Hop. Hop has a short O sound. Dot. You put a dot over an I. Dot. Dot has a short O sound. Vote. You will get to vote for your favorite lunch. Vote. Vote has a long O sound. Log. I sat on a log to rest in the woods. Log. Log has a short O sound. Rope. I tied a rope onto the tree so that I could swing. Rope. Rope has a long O sound. Let's sort another group of words. Remember to look at the end of each word for the silent E, which makes the first vowel say its name. Where does this word belong? Bug. I will not kill that bug. Bug. Bug has a short U sound. Tube. My tube of toothpaste was empty. Tube has a short U, tube has a long U sound. The next word is mule. The mule can pull a heavy cart. Mule. Mule has a long U sound. Cube. A cube is a shape made out of squares. Cube. Cube has a long U sound. Gum. I like to chew gum. Gum has a short U sound. Nut. I am not allergic to that nut. Nut. Nut has a short U sound. What is this word? If you said not, you're right. What happens if I add an E to the end of the word not? If you said the word becomes note, you are right. You've got this. Great job.